about an oversized book. This box is huge this time around. Today we're going to be taking a look at this limited edition box from Once Upon a Book Club. It is brand new and it is so big, you guys. I can't wait to see what's inside. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today where we do lots of unboxings. Today we are checking out Once Upon a Book Club. This box is not their subscription box, so I have that. It is wonderful. I highly recommend it. But today we're going to be talking about this new limited edition box. This is a one-time purchase and not the subscription. So previously, I shared with you guys a video where Once Upon a Book Club is creating care packages and gifts where you could buy them and ship them out to somebody immediately. So they're basically pre-made up, they're ready to go boxes. You can go on the website and you can input the receiver's address, but then you also can put in there like a gift message. You can add on a gift card if you want, like an actual card, not like a gift card with like a dollar amount. I mean like a card that says who it's from with your gift message. You can add all of that on to these ready to go made boxes, and then you'll pay one fee and that takes care of the shipping to get to them, and they're gonna get this great box. Now previously when I shared it, we looked at the self-love box, and then we also did the comforting one and like soothing box. I forget what it was called. It's designed though to be a box for somebody that has just lost a loved one and that just passed away, and this box has some really great care items inside. It was just so well done, you guys. So that video, absolutely loved it. A lot of my viewers also liked the idea because the boxes are ready to go. And I feel like sometimes you do need a gift idea, or you need just a thinking of you care package. They have lots of different options available on the website that are ready for that. So today we're going to be looking at one of their new collections that they just created. This is going to be the giant box. It is available for purchase right now as well. So if you guys are interested in this, what I show you today is exactly what's going to be inside of your box. So I will be posting a link down below for you guys in the video description box. It will take you directly to this box. But like I said, they have some really great options on there. I saw that they have some for like graduation gifts, and then, I mean, there's just lots of different themes. And I'm telling you, especially if you know someone that lives far away, I love the convenience of having a gift done and you just put their name on it. You give them a gift message and then they take care of shipping like it's done. You know what I mean? It's just way more convenient and easy. So if you need a special gift for anything, they have a lot of options available besides just this one. So this is what it looks like. This box is so big, you guys. So along with all of your presents in here, you're also going to receive a book, and that is going to be the theme of your box. So the book for this box is She Doesn't Have a Clue. This is a paperback book, and it is definitely going to be a romance novel. This one says it's a colorful cast of characters, and there's a cellar full of wine. I mean, where's that gonna go? It says anything can happen from murder to second chance at love. What? This high-end wedding on a private island sounds like something out of a magazine, but for best-selling mystery author Kate, it's more like a nightmare. Why Kate agreed to attend her ex-fiance's wedding is its own enigma, but she'll plaster on a fake smile for 2 nights with the free champagne, and because the groom happens to be her editor, she'll try to finish a draft of her latest book as a wedding gift. But then the bride is poisoned, Kate finds the dead body, then she finds it's a real mystery, and the only person who seems willing to help her catch the killer is Jake, aka the hot Australian, which is also Kate's biggest romantic regret. Oh my gosh, there are so many layers to this, you guys. As the wine flows, you need to unravel the mystery, and anything could be possible. Anyone could be capable of murder, it seems. There's a lot happening in this book. I thought this was just your typical rom-com, like girl meets boy, boy falls in love, they get married. You know what I mean? Like happy ending. But no, we got exes in here and marriage and murder and hot flings. I mean, there's gonna be a lot. So this is our paperback book here. It retails for $17 if you were to go to the bookstores and purchase this book. And the copyright is going to be 2025. So this is a brand new book. It just came out this year, you guys. So this is a brand new book that you can get in here. So along with your book inside of your box, you're also going to receive several gifts that will correlate to the story. So for example, you're going to have a gift that will be wrapped up and it will tell you that on page 105, you're going to open up this gift. It's also going to tell you as you're reading. So along with the gifts having the page numbers on them, they're additionally going to include a sticky note on the page that will say open your gift, and then whatever's in that gift bag will go with the story. So when you send this to someone or you get it for yourself, you'll read and then open the gifts. I'm going to open all the gifts up today just to show you guys what's included in this box, but it is a much better experience if you actually go through and open them as you're reading the book. I think this is the first one, so page 23. And I like to read right before it just to get some context as to what's happening. So this one says, oh, and then it's already getting right into it, you guys. It says that Jake Hawkins was touching her lip, and not just touching it, but tenderly rubbing it. The salve gave her a tingly sensation wherever he applied it. Or maybe that was the effect of Jake touching her lips. So like I said, I mean, it's already getting steamy, you guys. So we're gonna open up our first item here. Based off of that clue, I am guessing this is gonna be a salve of some kind, maybe a lip treatment in here. So this is Feel Good Lip Balm. And this is a sweet mint lip balm that we have here. It is 1 ounce or 30 ml. And this one will be their full size bar. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up because I do wanna smell it. I love a sweet mint, you guys. It's fresh, but it also has that sweet effect. Like, oh, it's so good. So this is what it will look like out of the box. And it's just gonna be your metal tin. It's actually very good size for a lip balm. This is fairly big. Oh, it's got a little lavender touch to it. Usually lip balms are like half the size of this. So this is a pretty big size, honestly. It is sweet mint. Oh, yes, this smells so good. You know what I love is that it's mint without being super strong. The sweetness just kind of cuts it down a little bit. It's a good set. It's great for winter too right now. I think this would work any time of year. I mean, let's be real. We can always use lip balm, but I do think it smells really good. The next gift that we're going to open up is page 105, and it says on here, the jumper, Jake said, as if that would explain the whole thing. Oh, Kate said, perking up, it's my sweater. Jake's brows rose. A sweater? Yeah, my mom gave it to me for Christmas after the first Loretta book came out. There's this scene in the book where Loretta's stuck on a clue, so she gets her grandfather's old fishing cardigan out because she's missing him, and the itchiness helps her realize who the real killer is. Okay, I'm not sure. Did we get a sweater? That's what I'm wondering at this point. Like, what else could it have been? There wasn't a lot of clues there. He did say jumper, but I mean, did we get a clothing item? So we actually got a sweater, you guys. So this one, I can't believe it. Let me look at this. There's no way. I can't believe they included a full sweater in here. Or is this like a scarf of some sort? It's all been vacuum sealed as well, so it is really tight. Let me go ahead and take this layer off. This is soft. I think it's all fleece. Oh my gosh. So I'm wondering if this is more like a blanket than it is a sweater, because there are snaps on here, and then it's definitely a blanket. This is what the other side looks like. I mean, I will tell you, it is very soft. So I like that. The snaps make me think you wrap this around and then you can snap it around your neck. God, this would be nice and cozy, you guys. And then, see, you could line this up. So I think this is how it's supposed to be, is you just snap these and then you've got like your warm blanket and your hands are still free so you can still do other things. But I think that's the idea. It is really nice. And I will say, all of the gifts I find with this company are really nice gifts, but there are still 2 more gifts inside of this box. So we're gonna go on to the next one, which is page 256. It says, do you have anything? Kate whispered, afraid to break the spell. Ah, Jake said, leaning over the edge of the bed and rustling around until he came up with a black foil paper. For emergencies, he said. Kate frowned at it. Where did you get that? My wallet, Jake said, tearing open the top. Not next to the emergency toothpick, I hope, Kate said. Jake grinned, no. I gotta tell you guys, I have no idea. Are we getting toothpicks? So this is the next gift. This is what it looks like here. It is all wrapped up just like your traditional present. I'm gonna open it like a present too. And this one is tea bags. I see what they did here. This is the Pleasure Pack tea bags. Oh my goodness. So funny. Set of 6 individually wrapped tea bags. They're chai and jasmine flavor. So this, I was like, what are we getting in this box? For a second there, I was like, where is this going? So this is clever. So inside we do have our tea bags here, and they've all been wrapped up, and this is what they look like. But like I said, they're all gonna have the same flavor. They smell really good. Chai is a great, kind of like a spicy tea blend, but in a good way. So these do smell really good. So this is what, they're all a little bit different. I will give them this. It is a love box. I mean, the book is steamy. Now, page 280 is our last gift. And inside of this one, it says, Kate poked through the cabinets filled with swimsuits, cover-ups, and sandals. But the last cabinet had a carefully folded garment in a bold floral print. It was Rebecca's rehearsal dinner dress. And tucked behind the dress was a champagne bottle, the label gold with black writing. A doll-sized wedding dress hugged the neck of the bottle, wearing a red sash. The words, "For the bride," were printed in a florid white script. So, you know, I'm guessing I would normally think maybe a champagne bottle or a dress, but this is the box. So I don't think either of those things are right. Let's open this up and see. Oh my gosh, it is a wedding dress! And it is a champagne bottle! Okay, I did not see this coming. So again, the whole point is that you're bringing the story to life, but you also get usable items. This is not at all what I was expecting. So it is an actual champagne bottle that we have here. Can't stop laughing, you guys. Oh my goodness. This is basically showing you what she saw in this story. So there is a whole wedding dress here, and then it's even got the veil. Look, it's all attached. Oh my gosh, I am dying. So funny. It legit is made for a champagne bottle. This is where it goes over the bottle itself to hide everything, and then it can stand up and look like a wedding dress. Oh my gosh, this is too much. I knew when we read it, I was like, what? Like, what are we gonna draw from this? Like, we can't have a champagne bottle and we can't have a wedding dress in here, and lo and behold, we got both. So those are the 4 gifts and the book that you will receive inside of this box. Obviously, if you get this box for yourself, you're now gonna know what the gifts are going to be. But like I said, the idea is that you wanna gift this to somebody else, and that way it's a surprise to them. But additionally, you're also going to receive a few other things inside of your box. So you're going to receive in here a bookmark that will match the story. So typically they're going to have a quote from the book that they're going to put on here. You're also going to receive a sticker. This is a collectible sticker that Once Upon a Book Club is doing, where every box and every book you read will come with a sticker to show that you got that book. And then you can collect these and show the different books that you have got. The next item will be the autograph signature of the author. So this will be a sticker that you can place inside of your book if you want to, but this will be the author that wrote the book and you get her signature. And then lastly, you're also going to have a note card in here. This is usually, well, not usually, it's either going to be a hand-typed note from the author or they'll do a handwritten note as well. So this is what we have here from this book. And usually the author will just include a few things about the book, what they like about it. It's just a little extra commentary to go along with it that you wouldn't typically get if you were buying this at the bookstore. So because this is a new release, you're going to be able to get the author's autograph and you're going to get her insights as well, all included with this book bundle. So this box is currently available right now. Like I said, if you guys want to purchase it, I do have a link listed down below, but that is everything that is included in this curated box. But again, they are all different. So if you're looking for any other boxes out there with a specific theme, they have different presents inside of them, different books as well. This gives you an idea as to what they are like, but I do think this one is definitely the lovey romance box. Every gift fit that theme, and they do line up with the story really well. So comment down below, let me know, what did you guys think of this bundle? But until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye, beautifuls.